Fifth sum, a shopkeeper purchased a pressure cooker for rupees 1800 and marked it 75% above the cost price. If the discount given by the shopkeeper is 10%, find the MP, market price, selling price and profit or loss percentage. Okay, it's mentioned here cost price is rupees 1800, clear, and MP is 75% above the cost price, means 75% above CP. Above cost price means 1800 is mentioned, this is CP. Whenever it is mentioned MP is above the cost price, it means you always take this percentage of MP and plus with 100 and then multiply with CP. This is 1800, this is cost price, multiply by adding 100 plus 75 because above means more than. Okay, and CP is what? 1800. So 1800 multiply 175, not directly, you can't put it directly 75. You plus 100 plus 75, whatever value will be coming, 175. Then you multiply with CP, that is we called MP is 75% above the cost price. Now you cut these two, 18 multiply 175, this will be 3150. Okay, now it's a mention here, first of all we find discount percent. Okay, so MP we have found, it's a found. First we mention here MP is 3150. Next is discount percent. Why we take this? Because we have to find the value of selling price, and we know through discount percent only it's possible for us to find discount, and then from discount and MP find the value of SP. So discount percent is discount per MP multiply 100. MP is 3150, discount percent is what? 10%, and overall also percentage is mentioned, percentage cut, then 10, 3150 go to that side, 100 downside is equal to discount, then 315 is the discount. Okay, so this is second part, but now we continue this. Discount is equal to MP minus SP, the formula which we are learn. Discount is now 315 we have found, MP is already given, that also we find in first part. Okay, in second part we find discount, and from here we find the value of SP when it goes to this side, minus second part is 2835 SP. Next is third part, what we find? Profit or loss percentage. Okay, profit or gain means SP minus CP. You have to see what is SP. SP is this one, CP is what? CP is 1800, back side we have seen, it's mentioned also here, given cost price is 1800. So SP 2835 minus 1800 is 1035, profit is 1035 upon CP. CP is what? 1800, multiply 100, then 00 cut, and then cutting possible, and this is your answer. Okay, next is seventh sum. A shopkeeper marked an article of rupees 2400 by selling it in at a discount of 10%. The shopkeeper makes a profit of 8%. Means MP is mentioned and discount is mentioned, clear, profit also mentioned, three things are mentioned, and we have to find selling price and cost price. Now we will see how to do. MP is mentioned here 2400, discount is 10%. So we know these two, why we means where we use these two values, discount percent only. Discount percent is discount per MP multiply 100, then 10% is here, discount upon 2400 means MP, 00 cut, percentage cut with percentage, then 24 multiply with this 10, discount is this, so it's 240, discount is 240. Now we find the value of SP from here. It's very easy as earlier sums. So discount is 240, MP is 2400, SP we find by minus, so SP is 2160. Okay, it's mentioned SP. First part we have solved. Now second part, that is cost price. Now it is given that profit is 8%, and profit percent formula is profit percent is profit upon CP multiply 100. Okay, so profit percent is 8%, and profit means, because here profit value is not mentioned, not even CP value is mentioned, CP value we are going to find only, na. So what we do here, we in place of profit we write SP minus CP, because SP minus CP is also same meaning. Profit means SP minus CP. So we can write like that. SP minus CP is, we write in place of profit, then SP value is 2160 minus CP. Okay, then multiply 100, percent cut, then this CP goes to that side, CP multiply 8, then 100 multiply with 216, that will be 2160 and 00 with that, then 100 multiply CP minus 100 CP, Now this minus 100 goes to that side. Firstly you multiply these two, 8 CP. Then 100 comes to this side, it will be 108 CP, 216000 is here. CP and 108 divide with this 216000, then it will be 2000. So CP is 2000. 7th is solved. Now comes to the 8th sum. This is mention a shopkeeper gain 25% by selling an article at discount of 15%. Means gain is mentioned plus 15% discount is mentioned. Market price is, and we have to find market price plus cost price of an article if the selling price is rupees 1700. First of all, what we see, so I have solved here first of all this one, cost price of an article, sorry, not this one, second part, the cost price of an article if selling price 1700. I have solved firstly this SP. I know the formula of this, 100 plus profit percent multiply CP. Clear? So through that formula I solve this by applying SP. SP is what here? SP is 1700, because it is mentioned here, if SP 1700 then find the cost price. So SP 1700, then 100 plus profit percent is what? Profit is 25%. So 25% apply here, 25 upon 100 multiply CP. We find 125 upon 100, so 1700 we find the value of CP. It goes to that side. So 100 multiply 100 will be 1740 upon 125 CP. So divide with this, 1360 is the CP. Cost price we have found, okay, by applying this formula. Now another is, it's mentioned here in 8th sum, market price we have to see, find, okay, and discount mentioned and gain mentioned. What we do in this, MP multiply 100 minus 15.100, okay, is equal to, so this, there is a one formula of this also, it's a, rarely it is using 100 minus discount percent, it's a discount percent, okay. MP multiply 100 minus discount percent is equal to SP, okay, this is one formula also. MP multiply 100 minus discount percent is equal to SP. So it means MP is this one, 100 minus discount percent is what? 15, okay, it's mentioned here discount 15%, so discount is 15%, we mentioned 100, okay. So now what we do here, SP, in place of SP we write this formula once again. What is the formula? Whether you take CP this side or CP at the back side, there is no problem. CP multiply 100 plus 25 upon 100, okay, because percentage is mentioned, profit percent 100, means in place of SP we write this full value, once again, okay. Then as CP value what we found, 1360, that we write here, multiply 125, 100 will be cut, percentage cut, okay. Then MP remained on this side, 1360 multiply 125, this 85 comes to downside. When you multiply these two value, answer is this, and when divide with 85, answer is 2000. Clear? So these two means part also it solves. Now your chapter is finished. Hope you all understand very well.